Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for taking care of your skin. In today's video, we will be focusing on skincare for oily skin and some DIY remedies that you can try at home. Oily skin can be a challenge to manage, but with the right routine and products, you can keep it under control and achieve a healthy, glowing complexion. Before we dive into the skincare routine, let's understand what oily skin is and what causes it. Oily skin is characterized by an excess of sebum production, which can lead to a shiny appearance, enlarged pores, and acne. This excess oil is caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, hormonal changes, diet, and skincare habits. While some of these factors are out of our control, there are steps we can take to manage oily skin. The first step in managing oily skin is to establish a regular skincare routine. Here are the essential steps you should follow. Start by cleansing your face twice a day with a gentle, oil-free cleanser. This will help to remove excess oil, dirt, and makeup from your skin without stripping it of its natural oils. Be sure to avoid harsh exfoliants or scrubs, which can irritate your skin and make it produce more oil. Next, use a toner to help balance your skin's pH levels and remove any remaining dirt or oil from your pores. Look for a toner that contains salicylic acid, which can help to unclog pores and prevent acne. Even if you have oily skin, you still need to moisturize. Choose a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that won't clog your pores or make your skin feel greasy. Look for a moisturizer that contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid, which can help to hydrate your skin without adding excess oil. Don't forget to protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 40 and apply it every day, even if it's cloudy outside. In addition to a regular skincare routine, there are some DIY remedies you can try at home to help manage oily skin. Clay mask. Use a clay mask once or twice a week to help absorb excess oil and unclog pores. Look for a mask that contains ingredients like kaolin or bentonite clay, which can help to draw out impurities from your skin. Apple cider vinegar toner. Mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water and apply it to your skin with a cotton ball after cleansing. The acidity of the vinegar can help to balance your skin's pH levels and reduce oiliness. Lemon juice toner. Mix equal parts lemon juice and water and apply it to your skin with a cotton ball after cleansing. The natural astringent properties of lemon juice can help to tighten pores and reduce oiliness. Honey mask. Honey has natural antibacterial properties and can help to reduce inflammation and prevent breakouts. Apply a thin layer of raw honey to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Green tea toner. Brew a cup of green tea and allow it to cool before applying it to your skin with a cotton ball. Green tea contains antioxidants that can help to soothe and protect your skin while also reducing oiliness. Remember to patch test any DIY remedies before applying them to your face to avoid any potential allergic reactions or irritation. It's also important to consult with a dermatologist if you have persistent oily skin or severe acne that doesn't improve with these remedies. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.